Hi everyone, welcome back to Meals with Mills. Today, me and my dad were gonna make chocolate brownies. Let's get started.
What do we need to set it up to?
160 degrees
So
or 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Press start.
Yeah.
Now it's preheating. These are the ingredients. We have vegetable oil, 1 egg, one Koko Samoa, 1 triple chocolate mix, 75 ml of water, and fine desiccated coconut. Grab our bowl.
I like it.
And we're gonna add water, oil, and eggs. Perfect, no shell. Okay. Now we're going to blend these ingredients together. Okay, next step, we're gonna add the brownie mix here. We're gonna add it into the bowl, and we're gonna blend it again. Okay.
It's gonna look nice.
Have a go, sir.
Okay. Sir?
Yep. We have a special taste tester at the end of this video. We're adding Koko Samoa. We're gonna get the Koko Samoa and we're gonna grate it.
Yep. Yep.
Now we're going to blend it with the cocoa. Wow! There's also chocolate chips in here, so it's gonna be even more delicious. We'll add 1/3 of desiccated coconut.
Yeah, sprinkle that around.
Now we're gonna blend it again.
One more time. Just get our coconut mixed in there.
Wow!
Yeah, looking good. Alright.
We added cocoa, coconut, and it has chocolate chip. Good work, sir.
Alright. I think that should do it.
Okay, so we're finalizing our brownies. Very, very delicious. So, good. Okay, we finished mixing our ingredients. Now we're gonna butter the square bowl. We're gonna put our mixture. Okay, now we're gonna cover it with butter.
Doing a good job here, young lady.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. What about thank you, Dad?
Thanks, Dad. Make sure you do the sides. Okay. Okay, we buttered the square bowl. Now we're gonna add the mixture into the bowl.
Maybe I'll face it this way.
Satisfying. Okay, I think we should switch. Yep, very bad at it. Delicious cake.
You're doing a good job, Marina.
Stay tuned till the end, people.
What's at the end?
You have a taste tester.
Oh, okay.
Right,
Got a
Dad.
surprise taste tester.
Yup, very special person. Hey.
Around a
Okay, now we poured it into our bowl. And we're getting ready to cook it.
We're now going to cook it.
Gonna cook it.
All right, put it in. All right, our oven's nice and
Okay, the oven's already
and warm and
heated. Yep.
Now open the oven.
Now we're gonna,
Then, very good.
Okay, we put it in the oven. Now we're gonna bake it from 45 to 50 minutes. Go to 45.
45 minutes.
Oh, okay, now I press start. Let's go. Okay, we'll be back soon with the final piece. Stay tuned. See you soon. Okay, the brownies is ready, and now we're gonna pull it out of the oven.
All right, let's go. Wow. Okay, we got it.
Hey.
All right, smells very nice. All right, we're just gonna dish our chocolate brownies into our, wow, look at that. Whew, look at that, everyone. Beautiful. Look at that. Can you see that?
We have our taste tester. Meals with Meals. Okay, Mom, go ahead and try.
So our special ingredient is what, Rena?
Desiccated coconut and Koko Samoa.
The inside part of the chocolate brownies. Hey Rena, what do you think? Mum, Mills here had to look twice at the brownie. Don't know if she was trusting our cooking. How about you, Rena? What would you like to try? I might try this. I might give it a go, and then Rena can look at that. Everyone, beautiful. Look how close. I'll give it close up. That's sorry, I'm covering Mills's face, but all right. Okay.
It's
I
nice.
can definitely taste the coconut.
It's not dry. I like them. I've had good feedback from
The beautiful
other
taste
people
of
that
the
use this box of brownies from Costco.
Sorry, that's what we
And they're
forgot to
quite happy
mention.
with it, yeah.
I taste the cocoa.
Yeah, the cocoa's nice. So, things that you can eat with this is probably
Berries.
you can have it with a hot chocolate. Yeah, something, berries. Ice cream is nice.
It's
Bit
not
of
too
vanilla
sweet.
ice cream, banana ice cream. Okay, so
Mommy, how did you like the brownie?
I liked it. Like I said, I've had feedback from a few family members and some friends who use the Costco brownie boxes a lot. I like it too myself. It's not too dry. It tastes like homemade brownies to me, like from scratch. Because sometimes when you buy, or bake the home shop box brownies, can taste a little dry if you don't add the right ingredients in that. Well, that's my opinion. But overall, I really like it. I would recommend it, using it at Costco. I really like it. And I think the cocoa that you guys added to it brings down the sweetness to the brownie. Because some brownies can be really sweet, isn't it?
Yeah.
Really, really sweet.
So I think the Koko Samoa,
balance it,
yeah, sort of brought down the taste of the
sugar,
sweetness of that.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Overall, I like it. I would recommend using that.
You can find the mix at Costco.
If we can find the mix.
Yeah, the mix is at Costco.
How do you do it properly?
Yeah, we apologize for crashing Mills' channel. I think there was plenty of pressure on my family for me to show my face. So glad to participate on my wife's channel with my daughter. I hope you like the channel. I hope you like the recipe, and I'm sure we'll do another recipe in the coming years.
Coming days, excuse.
In the coming years.
Yeah.
But thank you again for your support and for all that you do for Mills' channel. And I hope you enjoy her channel and the future of where she's going. Great goals for Mills, and her main. I think the main purpose of Mills' channel was to provide recipes for those who are interested in cooking the Polynesian food and other recipes that Mills has cooked in the past. We thank you again for your support, and I hope you've all enjoyed our videos, and I'm sure we'll be seeing more of our videos in the coming years, in the coming months. Stay safe, and please comment below if there's anything that we can assist, or if there's any recipes that you'd like us to cook, or you'd like my wife to cook, Mills. And yeah, let us know. We can make those for you, our loyal subscribers and our families and our friends.
Well, a quick word from me, added to what my husband said. I know in the feedback form there's been a lot of requests for us to sit down as a family and have a meal. It takes a lot of courage for all of us to be here on camera, but I appreciate my husband and children coming on, even if it's for a short time, for all of us to be on camera together. I hope you enjoy this little moment from our family to yours, to all of our wonderful subscribers. So this is Mills family. My husband here, Clark, myself, Camille, Aka Mills, Enoch, and Norina. So that's my family, everyone. Again, we appreciate you all. We are very, very humbled and appreciate the support from all of our fans and subscribers. May God bless you all for your love and kindness towards our family. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will put more videos out for all of you. Stay safe, and that's it from me for now.
See you in the next video.
Bye.